All right, welcome guys to your manage audio section of your resources. Here you can see, of course, there's going to be a list with the name, some details. You can play it here. You can also set up the A merge here, which we'll do in just a second. But first, if you wanted to add a new audio, simply click on the blue add audio button. That's going to refresh the screen, and it'll open up a field where you can enter in the name that you desire for the audio, as well as select the audio and then click upload, and that'll go ahead and upload that into your audio section for your resources. Now let's go back and set up some A merge commands. Okay, and again, what the A merge and V merge does is it actually allows you, I'm going to click over here on A merge, set up A merge, and what that's going to do, remember, A merge is what it allows you to merge any of the one of the documents that you have put, that you've uploaded into your documents sections here, so that you can use them together, the audio or the video, alongside that document, and it can change the document automatically. So you'll set that up here. As you can see, there are already some commands here, slide 1, slide 3. And then what you do is you select the document that you choose, that you want to use to set up the A merge with. Let's say, for example, opportunities. And then here you see it says select time. This is going to give you every second for the duration of the audio. However long the audio or video is, this is going to give you every second within that audio, so that you can choose when you want the action to take place, what time, at what second you want to, so you can synchronize the document and the audio. And then of course you select which slide you want to choose, let's say 5. So you select the time, let's say for example here, I'll put it in 9 seconds, slide 5 from here. Then I click add command, and you're going to see it's going to add it over here, add it right here. And you can click delete, and that's going to remove it. And that is how you set up the A merge settings.